Chalo, Ritu, tell me what you were watching. I heard it very clearly and I could see your mic was only moving. Nobody else's mic was moving. You tell
Sir, I
me.
wasn't doing anything.
Okay. Darsh, did you hear everything? Did you hear somebody, a movie was running or something or the other?
Yeah.
Okay. Rania, could you hear it?
Yes, sir.
Shirin, could you hear it?
Sir, I could hear a song playing.
Okay. Prayan?
Yeah, even I could hear a song playing.
Okay. Aditya?
Yes, sir, I could hear a song playing.
And I said for 30 seconds, I saw, I was here. You thought that sir is not here, right? Because my video is off and my
Sir,
wife
I
was off.
wasn't watching anything.
Possible नहीं है बेटा. Possible नहीं
But
है.
sir, I swear I was reading what you sent me.
No. There was something running. 100% there was something running.
But sir, I swear I was reading.
It was something running at your background and I called your name and it has stopped.
But sir, I didn't do anything.
I don't know. It was running. And by mistake, you are not aware that keeping your mic on and I could hear it and everybody could hear it.
But sir, I didn't do anything.
Possible नहीं है बेटा. Don't make fool of me. I'm not a fool, right? Now you
But
call
sir,
up your mom. If you don't read, I'm okay. No problem. I have given time everybody to read, and 5 minutes is already wasted for this.
But sir,
Okay,
I really didn't do anything.
call up mom. I want to talk to her right now.
But sir, my mom is not there.
Call up. I just said, call her up and take me in conference. I'll speak to her
Sir,
right
how
now.
do I call her?
तू मैं लेता हूँ conference में. You be on the call. चलो, I am pausing it, right? चलो, you everybody, you check this. Both the chapters read. I'm coming in 5 minutes. Let me finish it. रितु माइक और वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा. Everybody done?
No, sir. Sir, I'm on the first question, fifth part.
Okay.
Do I continue?
Yeah. You have to continue.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I am.
So, like, on the chapter 13, transitions in symmetry, like, am I supposed to draw?
चैप्टर 13 कहाँ पे पहुंच गया बेटा? 27 है. चैप्टर 13 कहाँ पहुंच गया?
अरे मेरे बुक में
मेरे बुक में नहीं करना है बेटा. जो मैंने बुक दिया उसमें करना है.
हाँ मैं वही कर रहा हूँ पर जो ड्रॉ करना है मैं वो ड्रॉ करूँ कि
ड्रॉ नहीं कर रहा है. तू कौन सा चैप्टर कर रहा है बेटा? विच चैप्टर आर यू डूइंग?
अरे रिमेम्बर यू गेव मी होमवर्क
नो,
फॉर
दैट इज नॉट यू टू डू इट. मैंने अभी क्या बोला तेरे को करने के लिए?
ये मीन मीडियन मैं वो ही कर रहा हूँ सर.
तो उसमें ड्रॉ करना नहीं आता है बेटा कुछ भी अभी तक.
हाँ
ठीक है,
नहीं मैं होमवर्क
ठीक है.
कर
चलो,
रहा
एनी विच वेज यू आर नॉट डन. इट इज ओके. आई एम शेयरिंग माई स्क्रीन.
हूँ. ओके
Sir, I can't see anything on the screen.
आई एम शेयरिंग बेटा.
Yeah, me too.
आई एम शेयरिंग इट राइट नाउ.
How I can.
ओके.
So we still can't see.
आएगा बेटा. वेट. It takes time to share. Can you see now?
No, sir.
Okay. Huh? Still you can't see?
Yes.
No.
Sir, we can't see.
Yes, now.
Now I can.
It takes time to load on the
Load.
screen. Okay, chalo. Now, here there are two things, but there are total three things, right? What is called as, briefly I have taken last class. I'm just revising it again. Those who are not present, those who have not seen the recording. It is called as mean, median, and mode. Third is mode, right?
Sir, but this topic is only about mean and median.
Yes. So I'm just taking the third one also because it is a part of the same
Yeah.
area, right? This is only for mean and median, but mode also I'll take. So you get complete. All three called as central tendency. What all three called as central tendency?
Central
Now there is a finding the central tendency of the data. Now data is, what is the data? Data is what?
The average.
No, what is data?
Sir, the results of
Data
like an
is a type of
experiment or something.
get.
what is data? Single word.
So the results of an experiment or
No.
test.
Collection.
It's the
Collection
information.
of information
It is
that
information, right? Data is the information, right?
Yeah.
So now what information you collect? Okay, if it is numerical data, then we can do mean, median, and mode. For example, I can collect the data for your age. I can collect the data of your weight. I can collect the data of your height. I can collect the data of your marks, different subject, maths, English, whatever, right? Now, what is called as mean? Suppose if I take a mean of, say, 9 students, right? I take out the height of 9 students. If I say, what is the mean height? Then what will do?
So 9 what?
If I take a height of each student, right? So it is somebody say 141 centimeter, somebody say 151, 42 centimeter, one say 143 centimeter, one say 139 centimeter, one is 160 centimeter. Something like this is the height of 9 student, right?
Okay.
Now, when I have this kind of student and I taken a height, okay. So if I want to find the mean, so what does it mean? Mean is basically average. So
Yeah, so
how do you find the
like
average?
so
You add all the numbers and divide by the amount of numbers.
Correct. So
yeah.
basically it is sum divided by the count, right? So suppose you have all the heights here, so add all the heights and then total height, how many you've taken, so divide by 9 because there are 9 students, correct? Now this is
But there's
calculation.
5 heights.
Sorry?
Sir, I was going to say, but there are 5 heights. So if you're finding the
No,
average,
this is, array beta, I give 9 heights, na?
yeah,
This is, I
it's
have
just
not given an example. I have not put in 9 heights here. I'll put in 9 heights. Okay, don't worry. I'll put the 9 heights. Okay, chalo. I am giving the 9 heights, 141, 141, 152, 170, okay, 138, 125, 161, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 147, 150, and 163, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, correct? So you're going to find the average. What you'll do? You will add all of this. I am adding.
divided by 9.
150, 141 plus 152 plus 170 plus 138 plus 125 plus 161 plus 147 plus 150 plus 163, all divided by 9, correct? Suppose if I take this, I'll just add this 6. I'll just say 164. I'll take 164. So you do this minus 6 divided by 9. Why I'm taking? So what I get, average height is, or mean height is equal to, I get 149. So what I do, add all of this. I got 1341. I divide by 9, I get 149. Right? Correct?
Hmm.
Yeah,
I
so
got,
even I got the answer.
no problem. So answer is not important. What is the process
May
that
I
you
use the
follow?
bathroom?
Sorry?
May I use the bathroom?
Yeah, okay.
So can I also use the washroom?
Yes, you can. So you got sum divided by the count. Correct? That is your got a mean. So it is calculation. Now, if you want to find the median, how will you find the median?
So you put all the numbers in order from the smallest to largest, and then you
Correct.
find the
That is
middle
the
number.
first thing. Very good. Very good, Raina. Rania. Okay. What you need to do is, whenever there is a median, the first thing what you should do is arrange the data into order. If you don't arrange the data into order, you will not get the mean properly, right? So what you need to do? You need to order them in a ascending or descending, whichever order it is okay. Usually we do ascending order because it is usually convenient to do this, right? So what you do? How you put the convenient order? 138 is the smallest one. So you get 138. Then what is the second one?
125
Yeah, 125. Correct. Sorry. 125. So 125 मैंने यहाँ निकाल दिया. 138 I removed. Then
141,
141,
147,
147,
150,
147, 150,
150, 152, and 161, 163, 164,
152, slowly, 152, and
1,
161.
163,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 161 also done. 163
163,
and
164.
64.
done.
Yes.
Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Correct? Now what to do? What is median? Median is position based. What is that?
Position based.
Now what is position? It is a middle position. And that is why the order of data is very important. So remove one from this side, remove one from this side. Second, second, third, third, fourth, fourth. What is the median?
150.
150.
Oh, हाँ.
Right? Okay. Mean you got 149. Median you got.
150.
What is the mode? Now mode says
Sir, I
Mode is
think
range. Sir, you need to subtract biggest by.
no, that is not the mode. That is the range.
Oh, wait, no, that's range.
That is the range.
So it's the number that comes in a set of data the most.
Most. But यहाँ पे there is no mode, right? Because all are individual values, there is no repeat. So there is no mode in the data, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Suppose if I'll give some examples. Now there is something called as range. What is range? Range is the highest minus the lowest. So you do range is you do 164 minus 125. You got 39. So 39 is your range. Range is the highest minus the lowest. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then you got a lower quartile. Then you got a upper quartile. वो थोड़ा थोड़ा बाद में आएगा. You don't have to worry right now. But this is what exactly you need to understand. What is the mean? What is the median? What is the range? And what is the mode? Mode you will not get here, but we'll see what is there. Now, broadly you understood. Mean is what? Calculation based, right?
Yeah.
And median is position based.
Position based.
Correct? Everybody clear? Okay.
Yes.
Ritvi, can you hear me? Ritvi, can you hear me? Shirin?
Sir,
Yes,
can I
sir.
please get water?
Yeah. Darsh?
Yeah.
Aditya?
Yes.
Okay. Ryan?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay. Ritvi, can you hear me?
Sir, I didn't understand mode.
1 minute. Ritvi? Hold on, beta. Ritvi? Ritvi, can you hear me? Keep your camera on. Ritvi? 1 minute.
Hello,
Let
sir.
me, beta. Let me check where she is. She is keeping the mic on, but she is not on the place, and her camera is off.
Hello, sir.
Ah, why not picking up the phone?
Sir,
Why your camera is off?
Sir, it's on
Flap open kar, flap. I
Sir,
told you right
flap.
now.
Sir, flap. Sir, can you see me now?
Why did you keep it off?
Sir, I didn't.
बेटा ऐसे कैसे बंद हो जाएगा? ऐसे कैसे बिना बिना if you are doing, how it can we stop? And how many times I have to call you? What were you doing?
Sir, I was in the bathroom.
I told you to keep the camera on and go, right?
Yes, sir.
See, Rania is also not there. She also went to washroom, लेकिन उसका camera on है. I know she's not on the seat.
Sorry, sir. I went to get water.
No problem. ठीक है. I know. ठीक है. चलो. Okay.
Sir,
Now,
I didn't understand mode.
okay. Mode is okay. Let me give you some different data, a different set of data. I'll explain the
So
mode.
what are we doing
I
now?
did also answered.
Sorry.
Sir, I didn't understand the mode.
हाँ तो मोड अभी करा रहा हूँ ना बेटा. Let me give you the different set of data and I explain. Right. Now suppose if I take the marks. Suppose there are 10 marks exam. Okay. And I'm taking everybody's marks. So okay. How many? There are 6 students here. Okay. So I'll take the
can't see your
mark.
screen.
हाँ आएगा
Yeah, sir.
आएगा आएगा आएगा. रुक जाओ, शांति रखो, थोड़ा सा वेट करो. You'll get it. Don't worry. Sometimes it works little slow and appearing. Now you can see.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
ठीक है. Now I am taking the set of data for maths mark for 10 marks, right? 10 marks exam. Okay. So I am not telling the name. There are 6, 7 students. Okay. I am giving you this. Okay. I just write in ascending order 3, 4, 5,
Sir, I can't hear you.
6, 6, 8, and 10. Right? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Now these are the 7 student data I have given, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now if I want to find the mean, how will I find the mean? Mean will be add all of this. So what is the sum?
So
10,
3.
18, 24, 30, 30, 40, 40, and 48, right?
Yes.
48 is the sum. Divide by 7 student, right?
Yes.
So you get somewhere around 6 point,
Something.
6 point,
6.5. That's 5, 6.
6.85, somewhere around,
All
right?
6, whole 6 upon 7.
6 upon 7, right? So it is basically, if I take in decimal point, and this is because it is calculation based, you can get this as a doubt like this, right? 8571, right? So this is how you got this, right? This is the mean. Okay. Median. What is the median? Because it is already ascending order, I don't have to do arranging, right? So there are 7. Okay. I'll just add one more, so at least you will get an idea how to do it, right? I cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this. Okay. Are there 8 students? Very good. Good that. नहीं. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There are 8 students. Very good. So यहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो गया. ठीक है. There's something
Sir, I think you like minus it, right?
8.
So do you
No, there are
add
8
both
students. Na?
numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students, right? So now
Yeah.
mean will be 6 only, right? Now median, because there are 8 students, there is no center term. So how do you find
Yeah.
median?
So you have to add
You
the
add
center
both
terms
numbers and
Very good.
divide by
And
and
2.
add
divide
the
by
center
2
two terms and
and then
divide by
divide by
2.
2.
You get
Yes.
6 as a median also.
6.
And mode?
Sir, mode is
Most repeated item. 1 minute. Let me explain it. First, then you tell me, right? Let me explain. Mode is the most repeated answer, right? What is the most repeated? 6, 6, 6. So what is the mode? 6
6.
again, right? Usually this kind of answer, you don't get that all are 6. It is coincident. It is coming like this. But chalo, I'll give you different set of data. I'll give you different set of data. Similar one, but I'll give you for 10 students. 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, नहीं, एक मिनट, 5, 6, 6, 6, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. एक मिनट, let me see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I will remove this. Okay. Now I want to find the mean. So how will you
Sir,
find
how
the
do you
mean?
find the mode if
So,
there's
can I
so
just
one
I'll
of
just
the
wait. I'll explain everything. Don't worry. Do it one more time. Okay. This is 18. Okay. 18 and 18, 36. 36 and 4. 36 and 4, 40, 50,
Sir, can I
and
go
you
open
got
the door?
57, right? 57 divided by 7, 10. Correct? What is the mean you got? 5.7.
5.7.
Correct? The calculation is proper. Check one more time. 18, 18, 18 to the 36, 36 and 4,
Sir, I can't hear
40,
you.
50 and 57. Correct. So what you can't do?
So she can't hear you. That's what she said.
Okay. Correct? Got this? Now how do you find the mode? Sorry, median. How do you find the median?
So
Check
we'll
the center
find
two terms, right? You cut this here out, this out, this out, this out, this out,
Two,
this out,
मैंने यहाँ पे दिया
this is out, this out. And
last.
you have got this two as a center term, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is your median will be?
11.
5.5.
Ah, 11.
5.5.
Sir,
Oh, yeah, 5.5.
5 plus 6
5.5.
divided by 2.
2.
So you got median is
5.5.
equal to
5.
5.5.
5.5. Correct? And what is the mode?
Six.
So the
Okay,
mode
tell
is
me three,
Six.
wait, 3 repeating how many times?
sir, one.
Once.
Once. 4,
Twice.
Twice.
5,
Twice.
6,
Thrice.
8,
Once.
10.
Once.
What is the maximum time it is? Which number it is repeating maximum time?
6.
Right.
Is it clear?
Yes.
How do you calculate the mean median mode?
Hmm.
Now,
Yes.
mean is what? Mean is calculation based. What is that?
Calculation based.
Calculation.
Based.
Mode क्या है?
Middle position.
Like middle one.
Mode पूछ रहा हूँ, median नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. I am not asking the same.
Most common
So
recurring number.
the most
Listen the
repeated
question. Listen the question. I am asking about the mode, not the median, right?
the most repeated number.
Right. So
Most.
repeat number में क्या आया? What you got the most repeated number?
6.
6. Correct. And then what is the mean?
So the mean is
Average.
all the
Calculation
numbers
based.
added divided by the amount of numbers.
What is the answer here?
5.7.
Correct. What is the mode?
6.
6.
What is the median?
5.5.
5.5.
How do you get it? You get the center term. You don't have a center term, or you don't have the odd number of count. You have even number, so there is no center number. So you have to take center two numbers and divide it by 2. Clear?
But I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
What if the mode has like two equal amount of numbers?
Correct.
Like
Then there is a
there's 3 5s and 3 6s.
yes. Then there are 2 modes, right?
Yeah.
It does not happen that way, but yes, if you get this kind of thing,
why do
like
you have to
earlier,
divide it by 2?
and if it is more than 2 numbers which repeating equal number of times, then that data does not have a mode, right?
Hmm.
Either all the numbers are repeating only once, then there is no mode. In the first example we have seen, in second example we have seen one number is repeating multiple times and as the highest number, that is the mode, whether it is highest or lowest or anything in between, right? Correct?
Yes.
And if it is there are 2 options which are one data set or one data value is repeating equal number of times, 4 times 4 times or 5 times 5 times, it is the highest one. Suppose here also repeating 4 and 5 are equal number of times, right?
Yeah.
But that is not the highest. Even 3, 8 and 10 are repeating equal number of times, one time, right? Or they are not repeating.
Yeah.
But it is not a
It is
It's
not
not
a
mean.
need.
Right. Please answer in the chat.
So I can't hear you.
What happened, beta? क्या नहीं आ रहा है? Ritvi, what is the problem, beta?
Sir, can I use the washroom?
Yeah.
Hello,
Ritvi?
sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very clearly.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. 1 minute, let me see. Yes, Ritvi, I can hear you. Ritvi, look at the camera. Hello, Ritvi. Yes, I can hear you. Wait, let me write her on the join from the mobile. Manu, let her join back. Huh?
So cool.
Yeah. So what I was saying, if there are numbers which are repeating more than once and they are the highest one, if there are two options, then it is two modes. But if it is more than two, then that data is does not have a mode. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right.
I
Ideally,
just
in most of the
I
cases,
just thought that
95 or 99% of the time, the data set is such a the mode is only once, right?
I
But
just thought that maybe sometimes if there was like more than one mode, then you would
yeah,
have to find the average of that to
no, no,
like
no, no. It
Yeah.
is, both are the mode. You don't have to find the
okay.
average,
Okay.
right? Yeah. Now let me share the screen again.
Yes, sir, I am back.
Gabbar is back.
Hello, sir.
Now can you hear me, Ritvi?
Yes, sir.
See, if you can't hear me, you have done something to your laptop. Okay. So when it is that, you log in with the both the devices from laptop and from mobile, right? For laptop, you can keep the camera on, and for mobile, you can use the sound, right? Something you made because you are able to hear. Maybe you did something with the sound, or you made the mute or something like that. That is why you are not able to hear me. Otherwise, there is no problem with the laptop, right? You are able to hear me. So you've done something change. That is why it has not worked. Or if it is happening still, then you can rejoin. Simple way is to rejoin again, right? And whenever you're not doing something, look at the camera. Although I can chat, okay. If I'm not able to hear you, you can put the chat message, or you can raise your hand so I can put you on the speaker or on the this thing. We are familiar with the average. What do you understand when they hear the that average score of the Virat Kohli is 86 in one day international? Now I go to maths marks, English mark, or your average height, average weight. This is all given, right? Now suppose you get to elevator, right? Elevator may you say there are 12 people available and you can have 806 kgs, it is allowed, right? So what they do? Do they measure all the 12 people? No. They take an average of the weight of the people and they consider that average mass should be, average weight of the person should be around 75 to 80 kg, for example. I'm just roughly I'm telling you, right? And
Yes.
the highest what you can do, there are 12 people. So there is a space available. So that is how the elevators are designed, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now, if you have only two or three people going in a elevator, right? Or maybe four. There is a small elevator, right? Four people, and there are 50 storage building. What will happen? It will go up and down, then it will not carry too many people, right? Then you have a people there, 12 to 15 or 20, this thing are going, right? People at the same time. So it's a big elevator. And the speed is also a little more. So that is designing has to be done like that.
Hmm.
Now this is what I'm telling you, real type application, okay, how it has to be done. What is the average used for, right?
Love it.
Now,
Hmm.
suppose if I say on an average, you are getting, say, you are giving any math exam, you're given, say, 10, 15, 20 exams. On average, if I ask you something, okay, how much marks your son or daughter is getting? So, you say, okay, mostly minimum 90% is getting, or minimum 80, 85%, right? So, what is done? And I say, okay, what is the mark for the last exam? So, okay, last was very bad because he scored only 50 marks, or she scored only 50 marks. Correct, eh?
Hmm.
You understood? So even average. So every time he has scored 100, 95, 98, 99. Okay. So even this person, one exam got 50, but on average it becomes 85, right? Because it has taken average for 10, 15 exams. Correct? So
हाँ
even it is one or two, it will affect the average, but then it is because of these 50 marks, the complete average has gone down. Suppose we say that a percentage lose ho gaya, percentage is reduced because of the one subject, maybe English or maths or science or physics or chemistry. All are getting 91, 95, 97%, 97 marks. And in physics, you got only 52. What will happen? It will brought down the average substantially. All the subject when they have done good, their physics has brought the average down, right? And all the other one has put the physics average up, right? Now, one day international match, simply it means that if we all add run score with the Virat Kohli in one day international and divided by the number of one day international matches he played, we get the number of 86, which is a meaning of the, we speak of average income, average speed, average marks, etc. Now, suppose if I tell you, okay, from if I say Shirin ka ghar is 50 kilometers away from my place, right? Okay. And she took 1 hour. I'm just keeping it very simple for you to understand. Okay. She took 1 hour to come to my place by car. So what is the speed of the car?
20 kilometer per hour.
अरे कैसे?
2.
20. Uh,
Sir, 50 kilometers.
Correct. It's a 50 kilometer per hour. Beta 50 kilometer.
sorry, sir. Sorry.
When you say speed, it is
I'm
50 kilometer
confused.
per hour, right?
हाँ
I
sir.
got confused. Sorry,
Right?
sir.
Does it mean, listen very carefully, does it mean कि उसके घर से जब स्टार्ट किया and she stopped at 50 किलोमीटर, ऐसा होता है क्या?
नहीं sir.
नहीं होता है. So the speed of the car will go up, down if it traffic or the class. So sometimes it is running at 90 kilometer per hour, sometimes it is running at 20 kilometer per hour, and this is what you get average speed, right?
Yes sir.
So you can't monitor every time because then accelerator is going up, the speed is going high, it is coming down. Sometimes it is 90, sometimes 87, sometimes 85, sometimes 92, sometimes 72, sometimes 821, right?
Yes sir.
Clear? So this is what you call as a average speed, right? So whenever you say okay, you don't calculate because it is not possible because car will not run at the constant speed, right? Anytime. So but what we do, we take the total distance covered and we take the total time taken. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
That is how we calculate the average speed, correct? Understood? Now, average income. Sometime my income is 500, sometimes it is 800, sometimes it is 700, sometimes it is 400, sometimes it is 450. So what I did, this is my daily income. What I do, in a week, I work for 5 days. What is my weekday per day ka salary? I add all this and divide by 5. Correct?
Yeah.
That is how I calculate my average income. So this is how you can calculate the average. Mathematicians have the release that there are 3 usual way of looking at the averages of set data. They're called as mean, median, and mode. आ गया?
So your voice is breaking.
Beta, keep your mic. It is breaking for everyone.
No sir.
No. Rania, keep your video off.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is called as central tendency. The all three comes under. Now there's a different way you can take out the averages. That is why I first told you. Mean is what? It's the calculation based. You calculate the sum and then divide. Mode is the position based. And mode is frequency based. What do you mean frequency? How many times the data is repeating in the data set. Correct? Or it is called as maximum frequency of the data in the data set. Clear?
Yes.
In this chapter we shall study mean and median only. बोला लेकिन हमने मोड भी कर लिया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, एडिशनल पढ़ने में कोई इशू नहीं है. करेक्ट है?
हाँ sir.
ठीक है, चलो. Ritvi, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
You keep on talking, right? Now look at the data. यहाँ पे उसे mean कैसे निकालने का? What they've done? They've done the total 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, and divide by this. So average is 3. So everybody will get. Suppose I have chocolates, right? So I say, okay, I have, my daughter gave me 2 chocolates, my elder gave me 3 chocolates, my wife gave me 5 chocolates, my mom gave me 2 chocolates, dad gave me 3 chocolates, right? And then I said, okay, I divide them into all 5 equally. So what I do? I give it 3, 3 to everyone. Correct? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. So there's a lot of background noise.
Yeah.
What background is it? Somebody's father is speaking. Let me check whose father is. Brian,
Yes.
Rania, your video is off. Acha, I done, I told you. This is a background noise. You speak in English.
Sir, my grandfather's talking. I'll tell him to go inside 1 minute.
Okay.
Dada, Dada, अंदर जाओ next.
Okay. Because the mean gives you a single number which indicates that the average of the, not necessarily the mean, is the number of the data, right? Now, I told you 5.7, we got the data, right? We got the 5.7.
Hmm. That
Is
was
it the
median.
data set?
No, that was me.
Is it a data set?
Hmm?
Is it a part of the data? 5.7. Anybody got the marks at 5.7?
No.
No, right?
Hmm.
So it is not necessary that it is a part of a data set, correct?
Yes.
So it is not necessary that when you get the average, it is a part of data set. It can be fraction also, and it can be one of the data set also. It is not necessary that it will be there, or it is also not necessary it will not be there. Is it clear?
Yes.
ठीक है चलो. So this is some of the example they have given. Another example, or not necessarily it is always a whole number. That is also I told you, right? It may be
Yeah.
fraction, it can be decimal also. Okay, but it will be definitely, one thing is very sure. It will be definitely between the highest and lowest observation, right? Whatever data you are collecting, it will be always between them. That is for sure. There is no doubt about it, right? So suppose your highest mark is 10, and lowest mark is 0, correct? So your mean will be always between 0 and 10. Whether I am taking a data of 10 student, whether I am taking for 1,000, whether I am taking for 10 lakh or 1 million or 1 billion students, right? Suppose I am taking an exam which is given by 15,000 students, right?
Hmm.
So answer, the frequency will be, there are only 10 marks, 11 options, right? Either somebody will get 0, or somebody will get 10, or somebody will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any. So there are only 11 combinations, right?
Hmm.
No, sir.
So that difference is, there will be 2,000 people who has got 0. There are 1,000 people who have got 10. There are some number will get, it is somebody to 5, somebody got 6, somebody, the all they'll have a different in thousands number, right? Somebody will have a 100 number. But whenever you calculate the mean, it will be always between 0 and 1. Now, I just give you an idea. You will not have that, but I'll just share you here. Suppose I am giving you 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. This kind of marks everybody got. Now I got here 2,000. I'm just keeping it 3,000, 4,000, and 3,500. Correct?
Yes.
These are kind of number as student or 2,500 available, right? So I got this 2,500 and 3,500. How many are there? 6,000, 6,000 and 7,000 here, right? So there are
14,000.
13,000 people who have taken the exam. Kitna hai? 13,000 people taken the exam. Now, if I want to take it, suppose if I take one more, one यहाँ पे आ गया. This is Isaac, 2,000, and then
15,000.
I take 10 here, which is taken 5,000, right? Total 20,000 हो गया. How many students are there? 20,000 students have taken the exam. Now, if I want to find the mean of this, how will I find the mean?
Like you divide it by 1, 2,
What I should divide it by?
1 minute, 1, 2, 6.
बेटा गलत जवाब.
Huh?
How will you find the mean for this? What does this mean? There are how many observations? How many observations are there?
10.
20,000.
20,000. How many?
20,000.
20,000 student has given the exam. So your mean will be of 20,000 student. तो नीचे तो definitely 20,000 आएगा, correct?
हाँ सर.
ऊपर कितना आएगा? How will you get ऊपर one? Top one. Total marks. How much the total marks scored? 2,000 student has scored 1 mark. So that is 2,000 यहाँ पे. फिर 2,500 scored 2 marks. तो यहाँ पे कितना हो गया marks? Total 5,000 हो गया. Multiply करो इसको. Multiply करो. 3,000 into this will become 15,000. Correct?
Sir, you're breaking.
I am breaking for everyone or no?
Yes,
Prayak,
sir.
तेरा mic भी बंद कर. तेरा video
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is you got what? 3,500 into 8. How much you got?
3,500 into 8.
Again 28,000 plus this is 50,000. Correct? अब टोटल करो इसका कितना हो गया? 50 and 56, 156, 156 and 15, 171, 171 and 7,
128,000.
178,000. This is the total marks, right?
7,000.
Yes, sir.
And just divide 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is gone. Okay, you
Sir,
divide.
isn't it 128,000?
Why?
Sir, 2,000 plus 5,000
Okay, okay. Yeah. Sorry. It's 7,000. Okay. I have done a mistake here. It is 56, and it is 106. 106 and 15 is 121, 121 and 128. Correct. I did this 56 plus 15. So it is I done 71. So I made 50. Now you do this. It will be written what? It will be 6. This 0 divide. It is 12.8 divided by this. You will get 6.4. What is got an average mark?
6.4.
It has to be between C6. There is no requirement, right? And the average is between this number, right? Clear? It is 6.4 is my average number. Now, if I want to take this thing, I should get the 10,000 number. ये अलग है because I wanted to show that if you even take 10,000 student exam, the median or mode or this thing, what is the mode will be? Mode will be 10 here, right? Because there is the highest frequency, correct? 10 marks are scored by the 5,000 student after 20,000. So it is the highest one. Clear?
Yes.
And if you take the median, okay, median will be 10,000. So what is the number of students? Because it is arranged already in the plan. So it is first 2,000 plus 2,500, which become 4,500 plus 3,000.
7,500.
Huh?
7,500.
7,500. And then what you got here? 4,000.
7,900.
11,500. 11,500.
Correct. 11,500. Right. Now this is 7,500. Now what is the mean you have to take? 10,000 place plus 10,000 one place, right? And divide by 2. So this is both are 7, right? Both are 7. This place is also 7 and this place is also 7, right? The answer is your median is 7. Clear? Now what does it mean? If I arrange the numbers in a order, I just give those who are not understanding, I am repeating because I know you will not ask. यहाँ पे 1, 1, 1, 1, I'll do this, right? I'll do 2,000 times 1. Then from 2001, this number 2 will start. 2, 2, 2, 2. And it will go from 2001 to 4,500, right? Then I start with 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, right? This will start at 4,501 to 7,500, right? Then I said 7,501, which will start with 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. It will go 11,500, correct?
Yeah.
So this middle term is 10,000, which is coming. Both number is coming as 7, 7, right? So that's why your median become 7. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is I'm teaching you very advanced just to keep in mind. If you don't understand, if you see this kind of question, you will not get in the your any of the book, not even for next year. Correct?
Yes,
So don't
sir.
worry. But I just want to say when you have group data or group observation, how you can do it, right?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Don't worry, beta. Recording एक बार देख लेना. See, you have to median के लिए क्या करना है? What is the mean required for the median, beta? What is required for the mean?
Sir, mean we have to take the sum of the data.
मीडियन, मीन नहीं बेटा, मीडियन.
अच्छा, median के लिए we have to
Middle
arrange it in
position.
ascending or descending order.
करेक्ट. तो बेसिकली तुम्हारा मार्क्स क्या है? सबने कितना स्कोर किया? हाउ मेनी हैव यू स्कोर? व्हाट इज द डेटा वाज देयर? Somebody score 1, somebody score 2, somebody score 5, somebody score 7, somebody score 8, and somebody scores 10, right?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
1 minute, let me put off my receipt. Now it is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you take this only 6 observation, right? So there will be some student who has score 1. Chalo, I'll reduce the frequency. There are 2 students who score 1. There are 3 students who
Sir, your voice is breaking a lot.
Yeah, same, sir. Even for me.
Yeah.
I keep my video off now. What I can do? Yes, it is my low resources affect their quality and trying to close the application. Okay, let me close some application. Let me see what I can do. Hold on. Let me close some applications.
No. What responsibility? You don't have to.
Let me close some application. Whether it will affect or not.
Sir, can I go open the door?
Yeah, yeah. No. Now you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo. I'm just closing whatever applications I opened. Okay. Now, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now there are 7 students who score 5 marks. There are 3 students who score 7 marks. There are 9 students who score this. How many are there? 10, 15, 24, and 6 students who score 10, right? So there are how many students are there? 5 plus 7, 12, 15, 15 and 15. There are 30 students, right?
Yes.
Now I want to put them in average. I say that there are 30 students sent on a line as per your marks, right? So how I can arrange is 1, 1, correct?
Yeah.
Then 2, 2, 2, correct?
Yeah.
Then you have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, correct?
Yeah.
Then you take 7 3 times 7, 7, 7. Then you take 8, 8, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you take 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. Correct?
Yes.
Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, since there are 30, what is the center position? You will remove 14 from this side and 14 from this side, right?
Yeah.
Good
So
for
7.5.
7.
So these are the
Seven.
two center numbers.
15.
Okay.
So it's 7.5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And this also, this is 14. So your median is what? 7 plus 8 divided by 2 is 7.5. This is your median, correct?
Yes.
Right. Now, similarly, I had this thousands of records, right? So you say first 2000 was 1, then 2500 was 2. In 2000, 20,000 record, my median will be what? 10,000 position, right? And average of 10,000 one position, correct or no?
Yes, sir.
And both position was coming at 7. समझ में आया? Shirin,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
clear? Now if I want to take the mean of this, how will you do it? Total all of this. What? How do you total? Add all of this. So what do you do? 1 multiplied by 1 repeating 2 times. So what do you get? 2. Then 2 multiplied by this will be 6. 5 multiplied by this
35.
35.
21.
72 and 60.
Very good. अब divide by what we have to do?
6.
Very good. कौन बोला? कौन बोला?
Sir, I by mistake listed.
बताओ तो क्या आएगा? When you do the total, if you're not allowed to use calculator, 8 plus 72, 80. 80 plus 60, 140. 140 plus
197.
कैसे बेटा?
Wait.
140, 140 plus 50. 196, not 197. But only thing is what you have to divide now. Tell me.
Sir, 6.
6,
By
yes.
30.
30. क्योंकि तुम्हारा रीडिंग कितना है? How many
yeah,
data points are
30.
there? Are 30 points, right?
Yes.
You are getting all of this, not this. This is multiplied by the total number of how many are 30, right? If you divide by 6 क्या होगा? चलो. You divide by 6. 196. Divide by 6 करो कितना आएगा?
Sir,
It will be 32.66, right?
Yes.
तो ये मार्क्स है 10 मार्क का तो एग्जाम है. हाउ कैन समबडी गेट द एवरेज मार्क्स है 32.3? नहीं मिल सकता, राइट?
no.
गॉट इट. एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव टू से डिवाइड बाय व्हाट?
30.
30 number of students. So you got 6.53 recurrent. This is what they get as the answer. This is my average. You got this?
Yes.
This is my average. Now what is the going to be mode? What is my mode?
8.
8. Correct? My mode will be
8.
8. So देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Average है 7.5. Sorry, average है मेरा 6.5. My mean is or median is 7.5 and my mode is 8, right?
Yes.
Got this? Now this mode has to be the part of data. Now mean may or may not be the part of data because the calculation based, and median also most of the time it is part of data. If it is odd this thing or even the data is repeating and it is coming the there, many times it will be there. It's the data part, right? It will be either 7 or it will be 8 or it will be 5 or it will be 6 also, right? There are high possibility mode will be always, but if it is two modes also, then it is part of the data. Median 90% of the time or most of the time it will be the part of the data. What is the median? But mode, mean may not be this. Median is a part of the data, most of the possibility, but mean are very rare possibility that it will be part of the data, right? Because the calculation is when you divide, it will come in a decimal also. Clear?
Yes.
Done? Now there is a question. Suppose if you have something, what is given? Now suppose if I say, okay, average weight, I'm just giving you this, right? I'll give you one more example. I'm just saying average weight of 10 students are 52 kgs, right? Average weight of 10 students is 52 kgs. Correct? So what is the total weight? Now I have elevator. I want to check whether this 10 student can go in a single elevator or not. I'm just saying 10 student have a, and there is a name, there is something written here, right? There is a number of people can go and number of kgs it can hold, right? Or it can carry. So how will you decide whether these people can go or not? This is the average weight. Average weight of 10 students.
Sir, we can multiply average with number of
Correct.
students.
So then you get a total weight as what?
520
kgs. Now this 520 kgs, you have to check with this. Here it's 806 kgs. Yes, they can go easily. Correct?
Yes.
Got it?
Hmm.
If it is 400 kg, then it will say overweight. It will lift will not gain because it's overweight. To avoid accident, if kgs a weight becomes more than what is can take it, then say overweight. Sometimes you have seen in the mall or something else, unless some person gets out, the lift will not, elevator will not go away, right?
Yes.
ठीक है चलो. So यहाँ पे सेम किया है. Find the value of x if the mean of this, there is a data set given, it is what get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many data are there?
5.
उससे क्या होना? The find the value of x if the mean of this data is 14. So 14 is what? Is the mean value, correct? So
Yes.
total weight would be 14 multiplied by 5, correct? So what do you write the formula? Mean equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you take out 5. Just take the solution for this. You get the weight of the one. Clear?
Yeah.
Or it is, what is the missing data? You will get it, right?
Hmm.
The number of games won by the team over the last season is this. Find the mean. कर सकते हो?
Yes.
ठीक है. Now suppose the team mentioned above wins 7 games in the next session, right?
Season.
Then mean of the increase by the new data 7-1 and the greater than the obtained by the above. In this case the game is 7. ये टोटल हो गया, मीन तुम्हारा बढ़ जाएगा बिकॉज देन 7 गेम्स आया, 7 गेम विन किया तो उसका आ गया, करेक्ट है?
Yes.
मीन विल बी डन व्हाट? एक गेम और खेला तुमने तो टोटल हो गया 10, राइट? सीजन में, ठीक है, हो गया मीडियन. दिस अ सिंपल वन, यू सॉल्व दिस. नेक्स्ट क्लास विल चेक दिस क्या है करके, राइट?
Yes, sir.
इफ यू हैव डाउट please post it before the class. You got it?
Yes.
Post it before the class. If you don't have doubt, Prayan, you can post me. We can, if you have doubt, we can take it on Monday, and
Yeah.
rest of things I'll take it on Tuesday, right?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Huh?
I have one doubt. So
Bolo.
that for the chapter 13 which you gave me, that I have to complete by Monday. What do I draw it?
What is chapter 13?
Like symmetry.
No. You just do it in your book. Nothing to see. You go through it. I'll recheck it. What exactly, right? What is the line of symmetry? You'll put it. That's it. Nothing to do.
Oh, okay, fine, sir.
You just have to see, you just have a soft copy, just mark it of your physical book. Just mark the as a scale, take a scale and write a pencil and just mark a line of symmetry. Ritvi, for you also.
Sir, I already did the exercise in my
Very nice. Very nice. हो गया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
हाँ सर, मेरा भी हो गया.
Very nice. Very nice. Good boys. Good girls. चलो इधर आ जाओ.
Draw it with a scale.
हाँ
I didn't draw it with a scale.
बेटा फिर स्केल के बिना तो कैसे होगा? लाइन ऑफ, इतनी एक्यूरेट ड्राइंग तेरी. लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री हाथ से ड्रॉ करेगी?
Sir, वैसे दिख रहा है. It looks nice.
नहीं. You can't draw the straight line with the hand, right? Without the scale. Sorry.
Okay,
This
sir.
casual approach. Simple logic is scale low, line of symmetry. You draw vertical line and it's a dotted line. How can you draw a dotted line? Beta, this has to be some logic has to be applied, right? ये बोलना थोड़ी पड़ेगा. You are not a small kid now.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll do it.
चलो. When the given line is arranged in the smallest to biggest value for the middle data is a median. Correct? This is already I have taken. I am not going to repeat again. Okay, I have taken an odd number and even number. If the odd numbers are there is one middle value. If there are numbers are even, there are two middle values. So उसको add करके उसका average निकालो. Correct?
Yes.
Done? खत्म. Done. Easy है?
Yes.
ठीक है. And I given you also when there are number of very large data, उसको कैसे हैंडल करोगे? उसके सामने तुम्हारा ये तो बिल्कुल चुन्नू मुन्नू है, राइट?
हाँ.
ठीक है. ये इजीली कर दोगे. You will be able to do it easily.
Yes.
Correct? And I covered the mean also and I covered the range also. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Again, when it comes in next year or whenever it comes or whenever you doubt, we'll solve it in the next class. Clear है?
हाँ
Yeah.
सर.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Did we got it?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Next class. Okay. I'll give one more week to do this. It is very simple. Okay. Next class, I'm creating an assignment. You have to submit before Friday, which is on Thursday. And it is just 15 minutes job. It is not more, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Even if you do this, aram se, if you do two sums every day, you will be able to finish in 1 week. And I don't want an excuse because I had this, I had that, nothing. It is not half an hour work, right? And
Yes.
please don't use calculator. I don't want you to use the calculator in this.
Okay.
Calculator is not allowed, correct? It is a simple calculation. You show me the working, and before the next Friday class, I want everything to be uploaded. Correct?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it very clear to everyone?
Yes.
I
Yes,
will
sir.
give you the deadline to upload after Thursday, coming Thursday, which is what day? Second or third? What is the day?
Sir, it's going to be 4th.
First of
Thursday will be 4th of December.
4th of December. Yeah. So out of 4th of December, you will not be allowed to upload anything. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and it is very simple. Ideally, I say if you have time, do it today or tomorrow. There are weekends. Okay, today or tomorrow. Just finish it and make it, sir, I have uploaded already. I'll be happy, more than happy. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
So, I'm creating assignment right away. And you have to do it from Salina.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Prayan,
Yes, sir.
don't say me, sir, I don't know from where I have to do it and what I need to do, right?
हाँ ठीक है sir.
Chalo. Okay. Bye.
Bye,
And
sir.
if you don't find the book, please call me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, beta.